Hello friends, welcome to the new vlog of the miniature railway, which is a new attraction in Christchurch, New Zealand. The coal locomotive is getting ready, as you can see. And it is almost ready now. And there it goes. As you can see, it's an actual mini version of the train. That's the Lucy locomotive. It's quite attractive. And here comes the Kiwi Rail. I got my tickets for the train ride and it will cost you $2 for a complete train ride. You have to cross the bridge to come to the platform. It's quite busy over here. Kids love it as well as their parents. Oh, wow, look at this bullet train. I'm gonna take a ride on this one. Here we go. We got the green signal for our bullet train and here it goes. Time for location check. Alright, it's in Christchurch, New Zealand, and this miniature railway is in Halswell suburb, which is around 15 to 20 minutes drive from the Christchurch city centre. These all miniature trains are managed by Canterbury Society of Model and Experimental Engineers, and it's for all people in the Canterbury region who are interested in design, construction and operation of models and machines. The train ride goes through all kinds of features, the bridges, tunnels and so on, as I'll show you. Now we are getting into the tunnel, as you can see. Ooh. Yoo-hoo. And now it's going through the bushes. Previously it has gone over the bridge, now it's going under the bridge. Now it's coming back to the platform. And here it slows down. So the one round of this train ride takes around 5 to 10 minutes to complete and return back to the platform. I'm gonna have a look at these stylish locomotives and gonna explore a little bit more over here. That's the locomotive shed where these engines are maintained and repaired. The operating hours for these miniature railways and trains, it's from 1 p.m. till 4 p.m. only on weekends. It's a beautiful day today to spend time with your kids and on this amazing attraction, the miniature trains. So if you are in Christchurch on the weekends with your kids or without the kids, do come and visit this miniature train and experience the miniature train ride. It's really fun. There is one playground as well over here where kids can come and play, and it's a complete picnic spot. I'm wrapping up this video now. Take care. See ya.